Introducing the OYS telescope, perfect for kids or beginner astronomers. The product comes with a custom backpack for carrying the telescope. Setup is quick and easy and includes 2 eyepieces, a prism diagonal, a finder scope, and a smartphone adapter. To set up, first extend the tripod. You can adjust the height as needed. Then level the base and lock the handle. Next, find the hole on the bottom of the telescope and align it to the hole on the tripod and tighten the screw. Now open the cover at the end of the tube. Insert the prism diagonal and tighten the screw. Take the eyepiece K20 and insert it into the prism diagonal, then tighten the screw. Unscrew the nuts on top of the telescope. Now assemble the finder scope and tighten the screw. Place it on top of the telescope and then tighten the nuts. To set up the phone adapter, first loosen the knob to fit your phone. Then insert the phone and tighten the knob. Adjust the scope so that it's over the camera lens and tighten the knob. Now insert the adapter into the prism diagonal and tighten the screw. This adapter will allow you to take photos of your findings. The telescope is portable so that you can take it anywhere. After setting up, easily adjust it to the desired height and turn the knob to adjust the focus. Easy to use for kids and beginners, the OYS telescope is perfect for bird watching or sky gazing.